Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change an image of an image on Wix website. So first we're gonna have to head over to Wix editor, and here we're gonna have to decide what type of image, or actually the image where it's located. So here we actually have page, and then here we can check on pages that we are on Lightboxes. So there's a Lightbox here with the subscribe. And here this is the image. This image was actually placed inside a Lightbox. So how? Just delete. You can also just right click and select here delete, or just press delete key. And then here I can click on add elements, and then here you're gonna see image. And here I can upload image, add your files to build your website, all the files you need, or you can just click on here, upload actually, or just drag from here. But this actually upload from our computer, or we can just select an image. We uploaded all the site files we need from our website, and we can just select the image and add to page. And now we added this page here. If you move this here, it's going to be placed here inside this Lightbox. So now inside this Lightbox we have an image. Now what if you are on here, and then here we have a couple of images? How do you change those images? So these images are placed inside, this image is placed inside this column, inside column 1, and then this other image is placed in column 2, and then the third image, there's no actually image here. If you want to remove it, just press delete key, or as I said there, as I said before, just press on the delete key, just right click and select delete, right? And then what if about this one here? So yeah, I can click on it and I can check there's a slider. So as you can see, if you move this slider, and what I'm talking about here, if I click on preview, you can actually just scroll, and you can see that we also have this Lightbox, but then we have this slide, right? And on each slide we have an image, which is pretty cool. There's a different image. And to change it, to change the image on this slide, if you actually just select the slide, and on the slide 1 you can see we have this image. And just to remove it, just you can just remove it by just click on it, Command Z to undo, or you can click on here. And if you just click also on this image, you don't want to remove it, you don't want to right click and delete, or click on the delete key, you can also just click on it and then select here change image. Then you'll be able to change this with a different image. Also, you're able to click on crop and edit this image. You can crop, change the, can drag the left side, this side, this portrait or landscape, and you can also upscale. You can rotate the image left, right, flip the image vertically, and I really like our free here, and I can drag from this side like this. You also can adjust the image, the brightness, the contrast, the highlights, the shadow, the color saturation, the transparency, the exposure, the sharpness. Okay, and then you can save. Also, you also have here filters, object eraser. Maybe there's something you like to remove. For this image, I don't have something to remove. Actually, let's click on here, but it's not gonna do a good job because it's something that you pretty much shouldn't use, object eraser. And also this is in beta, so yeah. And she was removed, but it's messed up this part anyway. The point here, you have AI, you have image AI editor, you also have cutout if you want to cut out as well. You have the background. It actually removed this kind of background. It's not really the, anyways, but yeah, if you have a background with yourself and you want to remove, you can. It works pretty well actually. I don't know if I have one here. I don't have it on this website, but I had like a picture of myself, and there's a background here, and actually used it to remove the background. So you can save you some time, which is pretty helpful, right? You can change the image here, or on this one, you just click on it. You're gonna see here change image. If you just want to edit it right away, you can click on here add image. You can also have the option to crop here. You click on cropped, and you can change then the shape crop to a circle maybe, and click on apply. and this can be very helpful. You also have filters right away. You can have some animations. And of course, you're gonna place this image here. You're gonna change the image here. This image is gonna show on slide 1, but if you change the image on slide 2, you're gonna have a different image on slide 2 if you do it, and this can be very helpful. And don't forget, which really happened to me, I forgot to switch to mobile and see how it actually looks here. Sorry for my internet connection, it's a little bit slow. And so I can, you see, I can just click on this slider and still change here, but it's gonna look a little bit different and pretty different, of course. So make sure you change actually how it looks on mobile as well. Double click here, increase the font size, very easy. And also the order of the image, the text. That's not the right way to place it. I don't really like it, but that's where that's what you have to do. Make sure you do it. Most of people are actually just checking your website from their phone, so it's really important. Hold shift, you can select multiple images or text or just elements, and then you can just easily move all the elements at the same time. Now, while you're editing, you go to tools here and enable toolbar. You have layers, you have rulers. From here, auto space on drag, spacing guides also, and snap to true. Also, click on editor here, get ads on, you have color selection, and also focus time, which can be very helpful when you're editing, can help you, remind you to take a break when you are when you are working, designing your website, or maybe designing the website for a client. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.